Hi friends, welcome to the Glow Design world. Hope you are all well. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a monogram logo by using Golden Ratio. This is very essential for your design thinking. Please like this video and give your valuable feedback on comment box. If you need any help, let me know. I will try to solve your problem next time. So friends, stay with us if you want to get the latest updates on our platform. So no need to say anything else, let's go to the point. At first, I will create golden ratio that I need for this logo design, the process of creating golden ratio. So friends, follow this process carefully. Okay, I think that's good. Now I will create the logo. See carefully. Okay, that's good. Select everything, and take Shape Builder tool. Choose Fill Color is black. Now draw carefully so that no mistake is made. Select all shape, and move it to a site. Now select all lines, and delete. Now select all shape, and remove stock color. Okay, I think that's good. Select everything, and make it group. Now take Line Segment tool, and draw a line on the right side of the logo. Select this logo, go to Object, Path, Offset Path. I think 25 point is great. Remove fill color and take 15 stock color. Now go to Object, Path, Outline Stock. Now select everything and take Shape Builder tool. And remove the unnecessary extra parts. Okay, this is perfect. Now place this logo on the center of artboard. Now draw a rectangle according to the artboard. go to Arrange, and click on Send to Back. So friends, I create this logo perfectly. Hey friends, if you need any type of golden ratio logo, please tell me in the comment box.